Akala mo ba kailangan ng milyon-milyon para makabili ng bahay? Hindi na ngayon. May foreclosed unit kami na pwede mong makuha no bidding. Kung ikaw ang unang ready, sa'yo agad to. Adele Inner Lot located sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Isang maayos, secured at mastered plan community. Lot area 77 square meter, floor area 70 square meter, 4 bedrooms, enough for the whole family, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Safe ang sasakyan mo. Selling price 3,330,000 only. As is where is condition. Bank fees and transfer of title are not included. 20% down payment, 80% bank home loan. Mode of payment, post-dated checks, manager's check, cash or bank financing. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-bid. Hindi mo rin kailangang maghintay if walang kasabay na buyer. Sa'yo na agad ang bahay na to. Plus, we offer free house tour assistance para makita mo muna ang unit bago ka mag-decide. Don't wait. Properties like this gets reserved. Message us now and let's help you own your dream home.